Our mission is more than just an activity. It is a calling. We are here to bring the light of the gospel to every school campus, reaching out to students where they are, even during simple moments like sharing lunch together. Through this, we serve God by serving people. Our mission is simple, yet powerful, to share the message of Jesus in schools. The campus is not just a place for learning academics, but also a place where hearts can be reached. By having lunch with them, fellowshipping, and sharing God's Word, we build connections that bring souls closer to Jesus Christ. This is our calling, to serve, to love, and to make disciples. Every campus is a mission field, every student a precious soul, and every moment an opportunity. Let us be faithful to our mission, serving God by serving people. Together, we can make an eternal difference. Our mission is not just an idea. It is a God's plan for us. We were created to love, to serve, and to share His Word. May we be reminded that in every step we take, God is with us, guiding us to fulfill His mission.